This is a question that's constantly shifting for us as an organization in the teams and the projects that you're working on. And I think the really important part here that's really important to us is the intersection of business and user problems, as I'm sure most of us are constantly wrangling with. The thing that I'm really proud of within our team as well is because of the people that we choose to work with, the business and the user problems or challenges that we're trying to serve are not always necessarily in tension, which is a really good space to be in. And so within working with governments, working with nonprofits, working with organizations that recognize the alignment between business incentives and user incentives is something that we often enjoy kind of navigating alongside our partners. The variety of challenges, specific challenges that we operate in or kind of try and solve within that environment as well is extremely varied. It can be something as complex as stepping to an organization and helping them find new operational efficiencies in the way that they operate, in the way that they serve, reducing complexity, reducing, kind of operational cost, increasing scalability for the organization to facilitate their growth. On the other hand, could be working with a business to help them understand where do new growth opportunities exist for them. In a business that's saturated in a market where they feel that they've kind of lost the obvious ways for continued growth or continued kind of evolution of their offerings. What other things can they do? What other areas of the needs of their customers or their communities are underserved that they could potentially be stepping into? How can they reinterpret and understand the strengths that they have within their business in a different way and offer a new set of value propositions to the areas or the sectors that they are working within? Those are some really interesting problems and really interesting questions to answer. And as well, I think even looking at, coming down to brass tacks and asking really important questions, especially in this day and age where a lot of us are remote or distributed or hybrid, there's a big demand and a big ask of organizations to offer digital first approaches to solutions and engagements and touch points. And how do you solve those types of problems? How do you go to the customer and really understand what is it that they're looking for? Most customers do not just want something online. They have specific things that they want to solve and specific things that they want the businesses they work with to address. How do you dive deep and uncover some of those things? Those are some of the things that we ask ourselves a lot on our team.